Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up another case for your Galaxy Z Fold6. In today's video, I'm going to review the Otterbox Defender XT case for the Z Fold6. I had a couple of requests for this, so I went online to their website and decided to pick it up. If you want to pick it up, look for the links in the description. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge with the case on there? How good does it fit? Does it add bulk? Does it give you hinge protection? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Now, I did see some reviews on this case and they were talking about not having access to your edge panel, not doing, not the power button hard to get to. So we'll test all of that out too. But here's the packaging from them. It says 4-time tested drop plus. Rubber edges for extra grip. It even tells you rugged full hinge protection there. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Can I get it out the box? So it has instructions here on how to install it. But here's the case itself. The hinge is weird. The hinge is kind of weird there. And it does have a adhesive strip there. OtterBox logo. Look, it's like a one-piece case, but the back is the normal OtterBox looking. You have a part over your charging ports. So for dust, let's see how this bad boy fits. Nice and snug. So the hinge feels good on there. I don't see this case coming apart. I don't even have the hinge thing on there, and it's really good. It is lifting up my screen protector there, so it might not be the friendliest for screen protectors. But do you get lip protection? Yes. So you have a lot of lip protection for the front. You get camera protection. You do have these extra grips here for, for grip there. The power buttons are covered. I mean, the volume rockers are covered. The power button is not. You have a little indentation there and there. So it's a little bit harder to get to, but let's see. Do I have a time struggling it? I mean, it's working. I mean, I guess it's a little bit harder. Just, let's see. That one worked good. Trying to do this on camera and make sure it's on there. I mean, it's working pretty good, quick. Let's see. Just hold the phone. I mean, if you're just holding it, watch. It is harder though. I mean, look how you can see how deep that's in there, but I mean, it's not horrible. Volume rockers are nice and tactile. The other complaint was the edge panel. Okay. I mean, it's not as easy to get to it, but I'm getting to it though. I can even pull that down. Let's see if we can fix. If I go to display, edge panel, the handle. So you can make it, it just goes taller. Oh wait, hold on. So if you're having problems using this case, you can make the width of the bar a little bit wider. And it's, I don't know, let's see. Did it actually stay? Yeah, it stayed. Let's go larger. I think, see, if you go larger, it makes it smaller. So, let's see, handle. Like that. Oh, I want thick. About that, like if you do it smaller, and then it's a little bit thicker. Yeah, so you just gotta find the right thing for it, and it works pretty good, as you can tell there. Now moving apps around, I mean, I can move this app around pretty good. I don't know what y'all think about it. Is that a fail? I just have to get this edge, maybe, the way you want it. I mean, it takes a little bit more work than just not having a case on there, but I don't think that would be a deal breaker for me. The hinge protection there, you have OtterBox. Everything lines up at the top. Everything lines up at the bottom. Again, you have the dust cover for your charging port. Bam. And you have a lot of room too. It does add bulk to your phone. It's definitely a heavier case than a normal thing, but again, you want that protection. You want this type of case in there. So it checks off a lot of boxes for you. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge. It's still charging there too. So checks off a lot of boxes. Vine rockers are good. A lot of protection for your display and for your camera cutout, camera lenses there. The hinge protection, let's see, does get in the way of your display a little bit, but not much. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom. The power button, like I said, is a little bit, it's in there, but it's not bad. And you can get to the edge panel too. You just have to maybe make it a little bit wider. It might not get on the first try, just depending on the angle you get into. But overall, this is not a bad case. I kind of like the hinge design. And it feels like pretty good too. But if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForzaReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.